What the fuck?
Come here, bitch.
Did he go inside?
He went upstairs. He's in this apartment building. I got him trapped.
Did he go to the roof?
No, he's in here. He's in there. Come on over here by me.
Where are you up?
Up, yeah. He's in here. He's right behind that side over there. You ready? I'm going in. Ready? You went up. Dude. You went up. He's getting his ass handed to him on the roof.
Oh.
Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Dude with a shotty. GG, dude. GG.
Sorry, man. I got a little jumpy trigger finger, man.
I think I pooped.
That was the best, man. We're friendly, man. We're friendly. We're friendly. This guy started attacking us.
No, the dude's not fucking friendly. He just asked me to come to him and he started punching me, and him and his buddy chased me up the fucking steps.
Fuck you. You shot at us, you piece of shit.
Please. Fucking cunt.
Jesus Kruvik.
Oh, I'm sorry. Did I break your concentration?
Oh, my God.
Buddy.
I will give somebody 100 shotgun shells to end these two.
Oh, really? You will? Because you're dead. You ain't giving anybody anything. Shut the fuck up.
I have 5 characters in this city, so why don't you shut the fuck up?
Oh, good. GG, dude. GG. That's why you're dead and we're not.
That's why I was 2v1.
Yep.
Okay.
Goodbye. 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 Nobody cares about your life. I think I pooped.